It's incredible to think how far we've come, from the very first click in our pockets to the expansive worlds that now fit in the palm of our hands. Technology has an uncanny ability to evolve at an electrifying pace, pushing us forward, challenging our perceptions. At Apple, we've always embraced this evolution. It's in our DNA to seek out the horizon, to imagine what's next, and then to turn those dreams into reality. Today, that reality takes the form of something truly exceptional. Today we unveil the future. Today we unveil the iPhone 16 Pro Max. From the moment you first hold the iPhone 16 Pro Max, you'll feel it. It's more than just a phone, it's an experience. The 6.7-inch Super Retina HD display isn't just larger, it's smarter, brighter, and more immersive than ever before. Every pixel is engineered to deliver breathtaking visuals, whether you're streaming your favorite shows or capturing life's precious moments. And we've taken durability to the next level. This phone is crafted from the most robust materials, meticulously engineered to withstand the rigors of everyday life. Because we believe that something as essential as your phone should be able to keep up with you wherever life takes you. We believe that everyone is a photographer. That's why we've equipped the iPhone 16 Pro Max with our most advanced camera system yet. Imagine this, a quad camera setup, each lens meticulously calibrated to capture stunning images and videos in any situation. This isn't just about taking photos, it's about capturing moments in time in all their brilliance and beauty. From expansive landscapes to intimate portraits, the iPhone 16 Pro Max empowers you to capture it all with unparalleled clarity and detail. It's time to elevate your photography game and unlock a world of creative possibilities. We've engineered the iPhone 16 Pro Max to not just keep up with your demands but to exceed them. At the heart of this powerhouse lies the revolutionary A16 Bionic chip, the fastest chip ever in a smartphone. This is what happens when innovation meets raw power. But it's not just about speed. With 16 GB of RAM and a generous 512 GB of storage, the iPhone 16 Pro Max handles even the most demanding tasks with grace. Multitasking is smoother than ever before, apps launch in an instant, and your entire digital life flows seamlessly. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is more than just a collection of impressive specs, it's a symphony of features working in perfect harmony to elevate your experience. From enhanced spatial audio that envelops you in sound to a more responsive and intuitive haptic touch, every detail has been considered. We've also focused on what matters most, your privacy. With advanced security features built into the core of iOS 18, your data is more secure than ever before. The iPhone 16 Pro Max isn't just a phone, it's a vault for your digital life. iOS 18 is the most advanced mobile operating system in the world, and it's been designed to perfectly complement the incredible hardware of the iPhone 16 Pro Max. It's more than just an update, it's a revolution in how you experience your phone. With a redesigned interface that's both intuitive and beautiful, iOS 18 makes navigating your phone effortless. We've also introduced powerful new features that enhance productivity, creativity, and connectivity. iOS 18 is the soul of the iPhone 16 Pro Max, making it more than just a phone, it's your trusted companion. We understand that your phone is an essential part of your life, which is why we've engineered the iPhone 16 Pro Max to keep up with you all day long. With the longest battery life ever in an iPhone, you can power through even the most demanding days without worrying about running out of juice. And when you do need to charge, our fast charging capabilities will have you back up and running in no time. Spend less time tethered to an outlet and more time living your life. Your privacy is paramount, and with the iPhone 16 Pro Max, it's more secure than ever before. Our advanced Face ID technology uses the most sophisticated facial recognition hardware and software to ensure that your phone is accessible only to you. It's faster and more reliable than ever before, unlocking your phone seamlessly, even in challenging lighting conditions. Face ID isn't just about security, it's about peace of mind. At Apple, we believe in creating products that are as good for the planet as they are for you. That's why the iPhone 16 Pro Max is designed with sustainability at its core. We've meticulously chosen recycled materials whenever possible, reducing our impact on the environment without compromising on quality or performance. But our commitment to the environment goes beyond just materials. We're constantly innovating to reduce our carbon footprint throughout our entire supply chain and product lifecycle, because we believe that technology should empower us to build a better future together. Augmented reality has the power to transform the way we interact with the world around us. And with the iPhone 16 Pro Max, we're pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Experience games like never before, immerse yourself in interactive learning experiences, and unlock a world of creative possibilities. The iPhone 16 Pro Max isn't just a phone, it's a window into a new reality. A reality where the digital and physical worlds blend seamlessly, unlocking endless possibilities for education, entertainment, and beyond. We believe that everyone deserves access to cutting-edge technology, which is why the iPhone 16 Pro Max is available at a starting price that reflects incredible value. It's an investment in a device that will transform the way you connect, create, and experience the world around you. With a range of storage options and financing plans available, we're making it easier than ever to bring the power of iPhone 16 Pro Max into your life. Because we believe that innovation should be accessible to everyone. The iPhone 16 Pro Max isn't just another iPhone. It's a testament to our relentless pursuit of innovation, our commitment to pushing boundaries, and our unwavering belief in the power of technology to change the world. It's a device that's both familiar and entirely new, a perfect blend of power and elegance, sophistication and simplicity. This is more than just a phone. It's a statement. A statement that says you demand the very best that technology has to offer. We invite you to experience the pinnacle of Apple's technological prowess firsthand, to hold the future in your hand. The iPhone 16 Pro Max. It's time to experience the difference.